Darkness is everywhere. Nothing can be seen. The light of faith is left behind. This will be the last exam for the people who said they believed. People with faith in their hearts will be crossing this bridge. The bridge, which is described to be the thinner than the hair and sharper than the sword. People who used to have faith in their heart will be given the illuminated light, which will be coming from their heart and right hand. On that day, few of the believers will have such a large proportion of light that it would cover distance of two cities between them. And then there are those with only flash of light as if they are holding a torch. But this also would be a treasure on this dark path toward paradise above the hell. And then there will be the hypocrites on the path with no light. The only light these so called believers will be seeing would be of those who believed. So they will call them and will try to borrow their light. At this very moment, a wall will be fallen down between the hypocrites and the believers. Believers will kill all the hopes of hypocrites by saying that brings some light from behind. And here it is clear that the hypocrite at this point is at the point of no return.